Hey guys, geography class. So we are on to atmosphere and weather and climate. And so let's get started. We live here in the troposphere, and that's where all the weather happens, and that's kind of our main jam. And what we're going to talk about today is just moisture in the air. So the atmosphere in the troposphere is made up pretty much nitrogen, a little bit of oxygen, even less carbon dioxide, and some other smaller gases. There's also a lot of H2O, oxygen and water, in the atmosphere. Relative humidity is the percentage of water vapor in a parcel of air until it becomes condensed, which makes a cloud. Specific humidity is just the cubic centimeters of it, and we don't really talk about it. So even in this house right now, it's probably about 25 degrees. There's a relative humidity probably of about 60%, I'd say. So we got to cool down this air to make us get a cloud, or to make us get water vapor. So the way to do that, it's kind of fun way, is to make a fake cocktail. So I get this shaker. It's completely dry. Okay? It's metal, so it's a really good conductor. It's going to make the air around it cold. I get this cup of ice. I pour it in. Add a little bit of water. Throw my shaker top on. Make myself a nice cold water drink. And you can see there's actually water vapor on the metal outside now. It's actually wet. It's the same thing that happens when you take a cold drink out of the fridge and you leave it on a can of Coke or something, you leave it on the counter, it sweats. Water comes off it. Now that water obviously didn't come from the metal. It came from the oxygen in the atmosphere around here that had H2O in it, that now it's colder when it's up against the metal, so it turns into water. Neil. Okay, see you next time.